2 days after WHO chief said that Gazans are facing man-made mass starvation, French President Emmanuel Macron, in a sudden announcement on X, said that France will recognize Palestinian state in September. France becomes the first member of the UNSC and the G7 nations to do so. This comes amid the deaths of thousands of Gazans who were killed while seeking food at aid centers. This move by France is seen by many as a bold one. Now the pressure is mounting on the other European nations to follow suit. But Macron's announcement has found opposing voices from Israel and its staunch Western ally, the United States. The US has strongly rejected French president's plan, calling it a reckless decision. While focus is on the other European nations, Britain welcomes the announcement but says ceasefire is now the top priority.
We've got to act with every word we use with international support to get the food and the support into starving people who are starving in Gaza and suffering in Gaza today. But we will not forget the diplomatic challenges that we have and the diplomatic efforts that will be needed to deliver the statehood that they need, that Palestine needs, and that Israel needs when it comes to its security. This can only be delivered by a diplomatic solution. We need the ceasefire. We are calling for a ceasefire.
Palestinians have welcomed the decision, though Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said that the move rewards terror following Hamas attack on October 7th.
We wish to have a Palestinian state, and the decision that France has taken is a bold decision. However, will other countries that control the world accept this brave decision? We want every person to call on every nation, every country. If France has given us the decision, it's a brave decision. It must rally and mobilize on its matter and not be alone in this picture.
On the one hand, as Palestinians hope that France can rally other nations to achieve a separate statehood, a failed talk between Israel and Hamas in Doha makes it a distant dream. In a post on X, President Trump's special envoy for peace missions, Steve Witkoff, said the US team was returning home as Hamas showed a lack of desire to reach a ceasefire in Gaza. The state of Palestine is recognized by more than 140 of the 193 member states in the UN. Spain and Ireland are a few EU countries to recognize Palestine. British MPs on the Foreign Affairs Committee called for the immediate recognition of the state of Palestine. Saudi Arabia also welcomed the decision. With Mahashweta Lala, Bureau Report, India Today.